Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting on your Honor Magic V6. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and toggle the Bluetooth off and on in the settings. So we're going to open up the settings app. Here we're going to go to Bluetooth and we're going to turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. Now, as you guys can see, my AirPods are not connecting. So what are we going to do here is we're going to unpair and repair the same device. We're going to click unpair here. Now I got the device, and it's a bit tricky because it's an Apple. So here I have to detect them. I'm going to click on them, and of course I'm going to get rid of this thing. We're going to click pair on them, and as you guys can see, they're connected, so they are working just fine. And now what are we going to do is we're going to restart the phone and the Bluetooth device. So we're going to press the power button, volume up button, now tap twice on restart, and for the Bluetooth device all I do is just close it and wait for the green light to disappear. Now it is restarted and I can just open it back and it will be turned on. So let's wait for the phone to restart now. After the restart, what we're going to do as a last resort is go over and we're going to check for software updates to fix any connectivity glitches. We're going to open up the settings. Here in the settings, we want to swipe down to system and updates and go to software update. Now it is checking for updates. My software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating it because it can fix a lot of glitches, including your Bluetooth having issues with connecting. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.